Good morning, students. Again, my chapter is magnetism and method. So, in this video, I am taking the topic how current loop behaves like a magnetic dipole. So, current loop इस तरीके से magnetic dipole के equivalent है. Why the magnetic loop? Why current loop is equivalent to the magnetic dipole? So, in the third unit, the magnetic effect of electric current, we have stated that the current carrying loop produces a magnetic field on its axis. And that magnetic field, the value of that magnetic field is given by the equation number 1, where B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi 2 m over dq. Similarly, uh, also the torque experienced by the loop tau is equal to m cross B. So we have studied these two equations in unit 3, that is the magnetic effect of electric current. So in first chapter, we have studied that the electric field is produced by the electric dipole on its axis. E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2 p over dq. And torque on the dipole in the electric field is given by torque is equal to P cross E. So these are the four equations. First two equation for the current loop, first two equation for the current loop, and last two equation for the electric dipole. So when we notice these equation, when we see this equation, so equation 1 and 2 are very similar in structure to the equation number 3 and 4. These are very similar. Why these are very similar? Because in this equation, so M is taking the role of P, M is the magnetic dipole moment is taking the role of electric dipole moment, mu naught upon 4 pi is taking the role of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and both magnetic field and electric field have the same distance dependence. That is, both electric field and magnetic field are proportional to 1 upon d. This is the distance. So they have the same distance dependence. So according to these equations, m is P is replaced by m, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is replaced by mu naught upon 4 pi. So these similarities suggest a hypothetical model on which we can explain the behavior of magnetic dipole. So magnetic dipole moment को behavior को explain करने के लिए एक hypothetical method दिया गया on the basis of similarity of these four equations. So first two equation for the current loop and last two equation for the electric dipole. So hypothetical method, according to the hypothetical method, so there exists a pair of magnetic charges. So there are two kinds of magnetic charges. First is positive magnetic charge, second is negative magnetic charge. And magnetic charge is represented by small m. Later on, these are called north pole and south pole or pole stand. So if a magnetic charge is placed in the magnetic field, it experiences a force F is equal to mv. Then just like the charge experience a force in the electric field F is equal to Q into E. Similarly, a magnetic charge experience a force F is equal to M into B. As electric charge produces electric field, similarly magnetic charge also produces a magnetic field. This is given by that magnetic field is given by B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi M over R. Similar to the electric charge again. Third point is magnetic dipole moment is formed. So as electric dipole moment is formed when a magnetic charge of equal and opposite distance are kept a small distance. So this is the distance between the magnetic charges plus m and minus m. So magnetic dipole moment, just like in electric dipole moment, magnetic dipole moment m is equal to m into d. M is the pole stand, d is the distance between the two magnetic charges. So these here magnetic length, M is the pole strength. So product of pole strength and magnetic length is known as magnetic dipole moment, which is equal to the I into A. So I into A is the magnetic dipole moment associated with the current loop. So this diagram shows the equivalence of current loop with the magnetic dipole. So this is the current loop. One phase becomes one face of the loop becomes south pole, other is north pole. Here is bar magnet, south pole, north pole. So equivalent dipole, magnetic dipole, current loop. So on this similarity we can say that uh, current loop behaves like a magnetic dipole. So magnetic dipole has magnetic dipole moment whose direction is given by right hand thumb rule. So magnetic dipole की जो डायरेक्शन होगी वो राइट हैंड थंब रूल से देते हैं. If we stretch our fingers along the direction of current, अगर हम राइट हैंड की अपनी फिंगर्स को करंट की डायरेक्शन में रखें इन द सेम प्लेन ऑफ द लूप का प्लेन सेम है. If we put our fingers along the direction of the electric current, then stretch thumb gives the direction of the magnetic dipole moment. तो magnetic dipole moment की वैल्यू मिलती है m is equal to I into A, this is equal to m into E. So on this similarity we can say that the current loop behaves like a magnetic dipole moment. Sorry, magnetic dipole. Thank you.